In this video, I'm going to show you how to import products from Alibaba to Shopify. Now, to get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Shopify on your device. Now, make sure you're signed in to your account. Now, make sure to also sign in to your Alibaba account. Now, to be able to import products from Alibaba to Shopify, you won't be able to do that directly using Shopify App Store since Alibaba isn't available on Shopify App Store. So what you can do is to use an extension also known as Shopmaster, which you can download from Chrome Web Store. Make sure to create an account on Shopmaster to be able to use the Shopmaster extension on your account. Now, once you have the extension installed on your Google Chrome, you can just go ahead and select a product from Alibaba, which you can import to Shopify. And that's how you can simply import products from Alibaba to Shopify. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this get helped you out. If it did, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe.